what buyer's pitch do you throw while door knocking? I don't throw a buyer's pitch at all. I'll tell you what I do. If you're talking about foreclosures, remember, I approach them strictly to help them. If they want to talk, and let's just say that I approach Joe about his house. I'm going to knock on the door. I'm going to say, hey, Joe, I understand the bank's trying to take your house. They've hired lawyers to help them. I'm here today to see what I can do to help you. Well, how can you help me? Well, have you talked to your lender about your situation? You know, there are a lot of programs today. They'll work with you. They want you to keep your house too. Can I explain how that works? You get inside, you sit down, you start talking. Okay, well, for example, one program is to take what you owe and put it on the back of the loan and let you start making your payments anew. Mm-hmm. Why did you stop making your payments? Well, I lost my job. So if the bank did this with you, do you have a job now? Can you start making your payments? Yes, I do. Okay, well, this is a good approach. You want me to get on the phone with your bank with you and help you get that set up, and we'll do that. Now, if Joe's answer had been, no, I still don't have a job, I would have said, well, Joe, the auction's in 3 weeks. The bank's not going to do any kind of loan mod with you if you don't have the ability to pay. What do you think you're going to do now? I mean, because the auction's in 3 weeks. Do you have a family member that'll lend you the money? You know, what's going on? No, I don't know what I'm going to do. Well, listen, you don't want to lose everything here. Have you considered selling your house? Well, I don't really want to do that. Well, okay, but do you want to lose everything? I mean, looks like you've got about $50,000 in equity here, or whatever. I mean, you want the money to start over. You need a place to live. Anyway, you just gently explain those things to them and make them understand that selling might be the right thing to do in that case. And sometimes they get it, sometimes they don't. But that's how we do it. We approach to help first. If we can help them, we do. We're glad to do it. Doesn't cost them anything. But if the circumstances are right to where that help will really help them, then we go into how we can help them by buying the house. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.